of Roosevelt, 30 eastbound. Going across Roosevelt. Getting back on 30 east.
Looking at 30 east.
30 eastbound, they're crashing down by the school. I think it's McGowan, back westbound towards standoff. Passing Bragg. Turning southbound on Park 17. Speed of 30, no traffic. Westbound on 18. Coming up to Commerce. Footbell. Stay right there! Stay right there! Don't move! Don't move! I've got two at gunpoint. The guy's running, driver's running, still westbound from this intersection. I've got two in the car at gunpoint. Black male, black hoodie, black sweats. Hey. Keep your hands up. Hey. Just keep your hands up. Correction, three at gunpoint. Three gunpoint in the car. The driver is the one at Footbell, westbound from Commerce and 18. Hey, unlock this door right now. Listen, just listen. Everybody listen to me. We're going to go as slow as we can. Everybody calm down and we're going to be okay, all right? Is everybody clear on that? You understand me? You understand me over there? Everybody put their hands on the ceiling right now. All right? But I want you first to step out. Keep your hands on top of this car. Hands on top of this car. Put your hands behind your back, man. Hey, we're going to be all cool, all right? Just relax with me for a second, okay? This is what I want you to do. It's going to sound weird. Get on your knees. Put your hand right here on my bumper. Don't move. Hey, I want you to crawl over to me, okay, buddy? Same thing. When you get out, put your hands over there. Hands on the car. Hands on the car. Stop reaching around. Hey, just listen to me, man. Just listen to me, okay? Put your hands behind your back. I want you to do the same thing he's doing, where you get down on your knees.
Why you gotta get me on my feet?
Just relax. Just relax. Go ahead, brother. All right. Where is somebody close to me? Hey, listen. Just with your right hand, unbuckle your seatbelt. What I want you to do is crawl over to me, okay? Quit reaching around, man.
I'm not reaching out.
I'm not talking to you. Just relax. Okay, you're fine. Come on. You're fine, man. Just relax. Keep coming. You're good. Put your hand on the back right there. All right. Any weapons on you?
Pepper spray. No, just in the car.
See right there. Stand up for me, man. Thank you. Adam County, Little Rock, 3-10-15. I've got to put you in the car. All right, just relax, all right? Hey, the driver fled in the woods right there. Go ahead and start a perimeter and get a drone. Hey, it was a long... Go ahead. I'm going to lock these in and tighten up on you. All black. Huh? Just relax, man. I'm gonna work with you guys, okay? Just relax. Obviously, we got a lot of stressful shit going on, so I got you.
Can I have my phone?
You're not under arrest right now. Just sit down. Sit down, man. I can only do so much at the same time, okay? Kick your legs in.
I don't have no room back here.
Check me.
Just hang on for a second.
I shall, please.
State Police, Adam 90 from Little Rock units. He fled. westbound from Commerce and 18th. He's a black male wearing a black hoodie and black sweats. No weapons on you or anything, man?
No, sir.
No, you're good, bro. Obviously, we got a lot of shit going on, okay? I'm going to work with you. I'm going to be fair with you.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and sit down.
Yes, sir.